Wait until you see how far a simple $1.25 Dollar Tree candle holder can go. Because today I'm turning one of the most overlooked items in the store into stunning organizers, high-end decor, and clever DIY projects that honestly look way more expensive than they are. These are the kind of ideas that make you stop, rewind, and say, why didn't I think of that? If you love smart budget-friendly projects that actually work and look beautiful in real homes and gardens, you're in the right place. Welcome back to Timeless Gardening. If you enjoy creative DIYs, affordable decor ideas, and simple ways to make your space feel more put together without overspending, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. And before we jump in, I'd love to know where you're watching from today. Drop your city or country in the comments so I can say hello. Let's get started. Hack number 1, Jewelry Stand Tower. This hack turns ordinary Dollar Tree candle holders into a chic tiered jewelry display that looks straight out of a boutique. By flipping pillar candle holders upside down and stacking them at varying heights, you create multiple levels for rings, bracelets, and earrings, keeping everything organized and easy to see. The wide bases provide stable platforms for smaller pieces, while the vertical design maximizes space without cluttering your vanity or dresser. To take it a step further, add small decorative knobs or hooks to the top for hanging necklaces and longer chains. A quick coat of spray paint in gold, black, or soft white instantly elevates the look, making this DIY piece feel custom-made and high-end. It's a stylish and practical solution that keeps your jewelry tidy while doubling as a decorative accent in your bedroom or bathroom. Hack number 2, Elegant Bathroom Counter Organizer. This hack is perfect if your bathroom counter always feels cluttered no matter how often you clean it. Glass Dollar Tree candle holders make beautiful sturdy containers for everyday essentials like cotton balls, Q-tips, makeup brushes, or even toothbrushes. Instead of stuffing everything into drawers, this setup keeps what you use most within reach while still looking clean and intentional. Group 3 to 5 candle holders together on a small tray, and suddenly your counter feels organized, calm, and much more put together. You can leave the candle holders clear for a fresh spa-like look, or customize them with frosted spray paint, metallic accents, or subtle labels for a more decorative touch. What makes this hack so good is that it blends function and style without trying too hard. It's easy to rearrange, simple to clean, and works in small or large bathrooms alike, all while giving that high-end hotel vibe on a Dollar Tree budget. Hack number 3, Desk Supply Caddy. This is one of those hacks that instantly upgrades a workspace without adding more clutter. By attaching Dollar Tree candle holders to a wooden base tray, or even a simple cutting board, you create a custom desk caddy, with separate sections for pens, scissors, markers, rulers, and all those little supplies that usually end up scattered everywhere. Each candle holder acts like its own compartment, which keeps things organized but still visible, so you're not constantly digging through drawers trying to find what you need. Once everything is glued down securely, a single coat of spray paint pulls the whole piece together and makes it look like a store-bought organizer instead of a DIY. Neutral colors work great for a clean office look, while bolder shades can add personality to a craft room or homework station. This setup is perfect for home offices, kids' desks, or creative spaces, where functionality matters but you still want something that looks intentional and stylish, sitting out in the open. Hack number 4, Kitchen Utensil Holder. This hack turns tall Dollar Tree candle holders into sturdy, stylish holders for everyday kitchen utensils. Instead of cramming spatulas, wooden spoons, and whisks into overcrowded drawers, you can stand them upright where they're easy to grab while you're cooking. Candle holders are heavier than most containers, which means they stay in place and don't tip over every time you pull something out, making them surprisingly practical for busy kitchens. You can group a few together on the countertop or line them up inside a cabinet for a clean, organized look. Leave them clear for a simple modern feel or paint them to match your kitchen decor for a more coordinated setup. This hack not only keeps your most used tools within reach, but it also frees up drawer space and adds a decorative touch that makes your kitchen feel more organized and thoughtfully styled. Hack number 5, Craft Supply Storage. If you love crafting, this hack is a total game changer for keeping your supplies organized and easily accessible. By stacking Dollar Tree candle holders vertically, you can create compact storage for ribbon spools, washi tape, buttons, beads, or any small crafting tools. Each tier becomes its own little compartment, which not only saves space but also keeps everything visible so you don't waste time searching for that one tiny item in a pile of clutter. This setup works especially well on craft tables, shelves, or even inside cabinets, turning an otherwise chaotic area into a neat and functional workspace. To make it even more practical, you can add labels with chalkboard paint or small tags for each section, so you always know exactly what's stored where. A quick coat of paint or metallic spray gives the candle holders a polished, intentional look, transforming simple Dollar Tree finds into a chic, high-end storage solution. This hack proves that with just a few inexpensive items and a little creativity, you can maximize your space, keep your craft supplies organized, and make your creative area look stylish and put together. Hack number 6. Elegant Cake Stand. This hack takes a simple Dollar Tree pillar candle holder and turns it into a stunning cake or dessert stand that looks far more expensive than it actually is. Flip the candle holder upside down and attach a plate or charger to the top using a strong adhesive like E6000. Once it's fully secured, you've got a versatile platform perfect for displaying cakes, cupcakes, or even using as a decorative pedestal for bathroom accessories or small plants. You can leave it clear for a sleek, modern look, or paint it in metallic or pastel shades to match your home decor. These stands are not only practical for parties and gatherings, but also make everyday items feel styled and intentional, proving that a simple $1.25 item can completely transform how you display your favorite things. Hack number 7. Farmhouse Tiered Tray. This hack is perfect for creating a layered, eye-catching display with just a few Dollar Tree candle holders. Stack 3 candle holders at different heights and place small plates or wooden rounds between each level to build a tiered tray. This instantly adds dimension and makes it easy to showcase seasonal decor, candles, mini plants, or collectibles in a way that looks curated and intentional. The beauty of this hack is how versatile it is. You can style it for any season or holiday, swap out decor whenever you like, and even use it on a kitchen counter, entryway table, or living room shelf. With just a few inexpensive materials, you can create a farmhouse-inspired centerpiece that's both functional and beautiful, bringing height, texture, and charm to any space. Hack number 8. Floating Candle Centerpiece. This hack turns simple hurricane-style candle holders into elegant, eye-catching centerpieces. Fill the holders with water and add floating candles for instant ambiance. For an extra touch, drop in flowers, greenery, cranberries, or even small decorative stones, whatever fits the season or your table's theme. The effect is simple, yet it feels luxurious and thoughtfully styled, perfect for dinners, parties, or even just to brighten up your living space. Floating candle centerpieces are surprisingly versatile. Use a single holder for a minimalist look, or group several together at varying heights to create a layered display that adds depth and drama to any table or mantel. With these inexpensive candle holders, you can achieve a high-end centerpiece that's easy to update, easy to move, and always makes a statement without spending a fortune. Hack number 9. Plant Stand Risers. Dollar Tree candle holders make perfect risers for small potted plants and succulents, giving your greenery a professional layered look. By elevating plants at different heights, you create visual interest and depth in your displays, whether on a windowsill, shelf, or plant table. This simple trick instantly turns a flat arrangement into something dynamic and eye-catching. You can mix and match candle holder sizes and styles to add variety, and even paint them to coordinate with your room's decor. This hack is great for both indoor and outdoor spaces, helping your plants stand out while also keeping them organized and stylishly presented. It's a small change that makes a big impact on how your plant display feels overall. Hack number 10. Decorative Photo Display. This hack transforms Dollar Tree candle holders into unique vintage-style photo pedestals that are perfect for showcasing memories in a stylish way. Simply attach small frames, clips, or even wire holders to the tops of the candle holders. And suddenly you've got an elevated display that works beautifully for wedding tables, parties, or even a gallery-style setup at home. The vertical design draws the eye, giving your photos a sense of importance and making them stand out more than a flat tabletop arrangement ever could. You can customize each pedestal with paint, metallic finishes, or decorative accents to match any theme or style. Whether you're highlighting family photos, special events, or seasonal prints, this hack is an affordable way to create a polished, intentional display that feels both creative and professional. It's a clever way to repurpose something simple into a decorative piece that adds personality and charm to any space. Hack number 11. Glam Vanity Tray Setup. This hack turns ordinary Dollar Tree candle holders into chic elevated organizers for your vanity or dresser. Use metallic or painted holders to display perfume bottles, skincare products, or decorative jars, placing them strategically on a tray for a cohesive spa-like setup. The elevated bases add dimension and make even everyday items feel intentional and styled, rather than just sitting out in a cluttered mess. You can mix textures, heights, and finishes to create a luxurious feel without spending a fortune. Add small decorative accents like candles, faux flowers, or glass gems around the bases to complete the look. This simple setup not only organizes your space, but also transforms it into a glamorous, visually appealing area that feels polished and curated every day. Hack number 12. Candlestick Lamp Conversion. Turn tall taper candle holders into a stylish lamp base by stacking them and securing a lamp kit from Dollar Tree or your local hardware store, or use a battery-operated puck light for a simpler option. Top it off with a small lampshade, either from Dollar Tree or a thrifted find, and spray paint the whole piece in metallic gold, black, or white for a polished, cohesive look. This little DIY creates a budget-friendly accent lamp, perfect for side tables, nightstands, or adding ambient lighting anywhere in your home. It's an easy way to elevate a space without spending on expensive designer lamps, and it brings a custom, high-end feel to any room. Hack number 13. Pedestal Cloche Display. Flip a Dollar Tree candle holder upside down to use as a base, then top it with a glass dome cloche or a large glass candle holder as a cover. Inside, style seasonal items like mini pumpkins, ornaments, seashells, moss balls, or small figurines to create a visually striking display. This little setup instantly gives the look of a high-end apothecary jar, perfect for mantels, shelves, or accent tables. It also doubles as a protective display for special items like heirloom jewelry or collectibles, combining function with a polished decorative touch. Hack number 14. Bathroom Towel Holder. This hack transforms sturdy Dollar Tree candle holders into functional and stylish bathroom accessories. Mount them vertically on the wall, and use them to display rolled hand towels, creating a spa-like look that's both practical and decorative. It's a simple way to keep towels accessible while adding height and visual interest to your bathroom walls. You can enhance the display with small greenery or decorative accents around the base for a polished finish. Even though it's an inexpensive and compact solution, it instantly elevates the overall style of your bathroom, making everyday items feel curated and thoughtfully placed. Hack number 15. Holiday Ornament Display Tree. This hack turns Dollar Tree candle holders into a creative seasonal centerpiece that's perfect for holidays or special occasions. Stack candle holders in a tapered shape to mimic a tree, then add small hooks, wire, or rods to hang ornaments, lights, or other decorations. It's a fun and unexpected way to display your favorite holiday pieces without needing a full-size tree. You can customize it for any season, Christmas, Easter, or even birthday celebrations, by switching out ornaments and decor. Despite being made from inexpensive materials, this display feels festive, intentional, and visually striking, proving that a little creativity can turn simple candle holders into a standout decorative piece. Hack number 16. Bird Feeder or Bird Bath. This hack is perfect for adding a charming touch to your garden, while giving wildlife a little extra love. Simply glue a terracotta saucer to the top of a sturdy Dollar Tree candle holder, using an outdoor safe adhesive, and you've got a mini bird feeder or bird bath. It's small, simple, and instantly elevates your garden decor, while attracting birds to your yard. Seal it properly to protect against the elements, and place it among plants or near a patio for a sweet functional accent. Even though it's tiny, it makes a noticeable difference, turning a $1.25 item into a thoughtful garden feature that's both decorative and practical. Hack number 17. Succulent Planter Stand. This hack turns Dollar Tree candle holders into charming stands for small potted succulents. Simply attach a tiny pot to the top of a candle holder, and you've got an elevated plant display that adds height and interest to any shelf, windowsill, or tabletop. If needed, drill a small drainage hole in the pot to keep your plants healthy. Even though it's a small setup, it instantly makes your indoor garden look more polished and layered, giving your succulents a stylish little stage to shine on. And there you have it, 17 amazing ways to transform simple Dollar Tree candle holders into stunning organizers, chic decor, and clever DIYs that look far more expensive than they really are. From creating tiered jewelry stands and floating candle centerpieces, to building garden bird feeders, and even custom lamps, these hacks prove that a little creativity can completely change how you use everyday items around your home. My personal favorite has to be the candlestick lamp conversion. It's such an easy way to add ambiance and style without spending a fortune. I'd love to hear from you. Comment below which hack you'd try first, or share any creative ideas you've come up with using candle holders. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Timeless Gardening, and hit the bell so you never miss another budget-friendly DIY project. Next week, I'll be showing even more Dollar Tree hacks that transform your home and garden. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.